watch this video and we're going to learn how to draw this. It has me hopping with joy. And later we're all going to sing a song together. Are you excited? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello little artists and welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie. Thank you for coming and watching my show again. What? You're new? You've never seen my show before? Oh, well you're gonna love it. What I do is I do a drawing and you can either just watch me if you want or you can draw along as well. You'll need some paper and a crayon or a pencil or a marker or a goldfish. I was just kidding about the goldfish. Yay!
Colors ready?
Markers steady.
Let's make some art.
Let's make art, let's make art, let's make art, but first we should start. Okay, come on, let's start.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. Ha ha ha! That's bananas!
La 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 la. Do it do 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 do. Have I kids that run that way? Have I do 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 do? La la yeah, but yeah go. Coming up later, Barry Tone is going to sing a song. Okay, little artists, it's time for a song. Here's a great one.
There was a cat who lived on a hill. He wore a hat and he sat real still. But when he opened his mouth, oh thrill, he barked, woof, woof, not a meow. A barking cat, can you believe it now? Woof, woof, not a single meow. The cat who barked, oh holy cow. The cows all laughed, the dogs were stunned. The sheep said baa and started to run. The moon came out just to see the fun. He barked, woof, woof, not a meow. A barking cat, can you believe it now? Woof, woof, not a single meow. The cat who barked, oh holy cow. He played a tune on chimes so bright. Ding, 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 what a funny sight. Barking beats and xylophone.
love music and songs, and that one was great. Let's carry on drawing now. Uh-oh, it's Painty. Oh.
Oh, I love it!
Oh, Painty, you made a big mess everywhere. Ugh, I guess I'll clean it up after we finish the drawing. Well, I think I'm done. Wow, it came out really, really good. I'm amazed. Sometimes I can't believe how talented I am. And so humble. Well, anyway, I guess we got to add some colour. Should we colour it in? Yeah, come on, let's colour!
Color it in! Color it in!
Oh, wow, it looks so good now it's finished and it's got some colour. I'm really pleased. Yeah.
Be sure to tune in tomorrow to Artie's show.
Well, little artists, that's the end of the show. I hope you had fun watching me draw and watching us sing and having a really good time. We hope to see you again. Please watch soon. Bye-bye and have an Arty day.